Welcome home. The grade 12, we are dealing proportionality. We have the problem that want us to prove, to show the application of theorem 1. It says that O is any point inside triangle PQR. Inside PQR, there is O. Therefore, we are given the condition that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. We have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. Write the statement and the answer, we start proving. Please, grade 12, get used to the habit of writing the statement going hand in hand with the reason. Because in Euclidean geometry, a statement with no reason is invalid. Right, we start here, we indicate to the marker that we are doing triangle OQP. We are in that triangle OQP. Therefore, we can conclude saying that OB over BQ is equals to OA over AP. The reason for that is the line parallel to the back side of triangle. That is the reason for this statement. You can see OB over BQ is equals to OA over AP because AB is parallel to PQ. We were given that. Then we come and say in triangle, now we're looking at this triangle. We're using the triangles that were given, their sides are parallel. So in triangle OPR, OA over AP, OA over AP is equals to OC over CR. We are given that AC is parallel to PR. You can use that, or you can say line parallel to the side of a triangle. Right. If you can see that we have this have OA over AP as common to both triangle OAP and triangle OPQ. Have OA over AP as common to both triangle QPR and triangle POR. Then we can conclude by saying OB over BQ is equals to OC over CR. The reason for that is both equals to OA over AP. So if you can say OB, here is OB over BQ is equals to OC over CR. That gives us the conclusion that BC is parallel to QR, as we're required to prove. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. You see, that is the end of the statement. Why do we conclude that? Because we have BC dividing triangle OQR into proportional side. These are proportional side. Therefore, this is the line parallel to the other one side of triangle OQR. That is what I have for you, grade 12. Please take all these problems that want you to find the common side and practice them. There is nothing difficult here. It's all about correlating. This is a friend to this, then if this is a friend to this, then that concludes that the two are friends. So the same thing that goes here. In the Euclidean geometry, you deal with the correlations. The relationship between two parties resumes as the other one relates to the other one and the other one relates to the other one. Practice this one, grade 12. I'll see you in the next videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, practice. There is no day that goes by without practicing mathematics. That is the secret of passing mathematics. There is nothing difficult in mathematics. Mathematics is just challenging. I'll see you in the next videos. Uncle Pythagoras signing out.